buttercream frosting here. I'm just going to put a little bit of the red in, just a little bit, because I want to get the same pink that my poinsettia is. Okay, let's see. That looks pretty darn close. Okay. And what I want to do is I want to stencil this onto my cake to see. Now again, you can pipe this. I'm not that good at piping, so I'm going to stencil it. I got my stencil on here. I put a little bit of tape to cover this part right here because I don't want the icing to get on that. And what we're going to do is just smear the frosting ever so lightly. Let's hope we got it. There we go. Yep, that got it all. I'll pat the extra bit down with the cornstarch. There's a couple spots that are a little raised. And all you do is just take a little cornstarch on your finger and just pat it down. I've got a little raised up here. But for the most part, we got on there. And you know, if you end up doing this and you don't like it, you can wipe it off and redo it, reposition it, whatever. I actually got this a little bit low. I might take it off and push it up a little bit higher. Let me get it even as I can. Let's see, that's a little bit better. Did I get it that time? It's up that little piece right there. There we go. Oh, a little high this time. That'll work. We're going to put pearls around it anyway. Okay, I want to go ahead and put my plaque on top of my cake also. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to put a little bit of buttercream frosting so that this will stick, because it actually is, it's not sugar underneath, it's actually cardboard. So I'm going to put a little bit of frosting under here. Color doesn't matter because you're not going to see it. It's going to be a plaque on top of it. So let's go ahead and just put that on. Nice and thick. And the nice thing about this is you can now lift the plaque off once you're done with the cake and save it if you so desire. Now I decide which I want to be the front. I believe we had this as the front. Okay, that's on there. It looks pretty even all the way around. Now we need to cover the edges, so we're going to make our pearls to cover the edges. Okay, where are my pearl makers? There they are. Okay, and I want to use the nice big pearls to cover the edges. So we're going to dust this with Super Pearl. If I can find it. There it is. You want to make sure you get the mold nicely covered. The Super Pearl. Okay. The excess. Okay, and then we're going to take the white chocolate and we're going to mold it.